Hello, Hooverhawks. Today we're going to quickly talk about how to get to your Springboard class online. To do that, you start off with the Hoover website, hoover.sjusd.org. From there, you're going to click on Menu. You're going to go to the Blended Learning links. This is where a lot of our online platforms are housed. From this page, you will go ahead and find the Springboard tile and click on that. From here, you will select the Springboard English Language Arts for 6th grade. Yours will look different because you will be logged in as yourself. In this section, you are then going to go to the table of contents. The table of contents is up here on the left-hand side. For this activity, you are going to scroll to Unit 1. In Unit 1, you will then go to 1.2. What makes a narrative? On this page, you have the actual writing text and the opportunity to listen to the audio as well. So you can just hit play here to listen to the audio. In addition to that, your teacher may ask you to highlight as you read. In order to highlight, go ahead and just highlight the text you'd like. You can add a sticky note. You can highlight different colors based on what your teacher is asking for. You can underline. You can even add your own comments through the sticky note. And that's how you get to Springboard. Have fun!